guys, as you probably saw in the title, I'm going to be doing a room transformation plus tour. So if you didn't know, I've been in the process of a room transformation for about a month now, just between getting furniture, setting everything up, filming, anyways. Oh, dude. So this is what my room looks like before, and honestly, it's very unaesthetic. The tacky decorations, it's a huge mess, and honestly, it just looks like I live in a trash dump. Oh, dude. Okay, so the first step in this transformation was obviously to take down all the old decorations. You can see here, there's just so much clutter and trash in my room that needs to be getting rid of. So here's what my bed looks like, and honestly, it's just not very aesthetic. It's very disgusting and screams 10-year-old me. So I just completely got rid of all the sheets and bedding on it. Over here is where I used to store my clothes, and as you can see, these baskets are overflowing and look so trashy. So I decided to just remove all this. So now that I decluttered my room, it was time to go shopping for new furniture. Okay, so I started by trying to assemble this dresser that I got from IKEA, and let me tell you, I am absolutely horrible at reading instructions. It took me probably all day to assemble this because I kept screwing the screws in wrong and putting the wrong pieces on backwards, so it took me forever to do this. So this is what the dresser looks like. And here's some clips of me trying to move the furniture. This one of me trying to move the dresser is funny because every time I tried to move it backwards, the drawers would just pull out. And it was really annoying, but I finally got it all situated. So now that I have all the furniture set up, I'm gonna start decorating. Okay, so obviously I had to decorate my room. So I started by putting new sheets on my bed that were not tacky looking and very plain. After that, I then put new fitted sheets on the bed. Here are just some more clips of me decorating my room and putting decorations up. Got this super cute mirror from IKEA, and I thought that I would put this on top of my desk, as you can see in this clip. Then I just restocked my bookcase with some books, as you can see here. I printed these posters off that I found on Pinterest, and I put them on the walls, and this just gave the room a whole new aesthetic. So excited to show you the final product. Hey guys, so now I'm going to be doing a room tour to show you guys what the entire room looks like. I'm really excited. I've worked on this for probably over a month now, so I'm just ready to show you like all the little details and walk you around the room, and I'm so excited. So okay guys, so this is what the room looks like when I first walk in, and I'm going to start over here. So right here I have some makeup brushes and the makeup I use. I get most of my makeup from Ulta usually. Back here I have some perfume. I think I got this one from Bath & Body Works. This is like my favorite one. I have some hairspray too. Right here I have this mirror so I can do my makeup at my desk. I think I got this desk at IKEA along with this mirror. I got most of my furniture at IKEA, I think. Over here, I have a drawer. It has claw clips and hair ties in it. I think I got this from Target. I'm not entirely sure though. And this chair, I'm pretty sure I got off of Amazon. It's a cute little chair. This desk is super perfect because I can use it to do my hair in this mirror, and I can also use it to study. So over here I have a bookcase, and I have some books in it, mostly just like books for school. Like this one's biology. I think I got this from Costco actually, but I have like a chemistry one too, and these books are like amazing. They really help. So this I got from IKEA. I got pretty much everything in this room from IKEA. This I got from Meyer. This is a cute little plant, and this candle. I think I also got this from, let's move on to this bed. This is super cute. This blanket I actually got from Meyer, I think. And it's super soft, and it has a cute little quilt pattern on it. Purple goes really well with the white. That's why I got these white pillows, and I think I got these from Amazon too as well. Okay, so moving up to here, I have this cute little planner, and I actually got this from Christmas, so I'm not exactly sure what it's from, but it's super cute. Okay, so over here I have a bunch of posters, and I actually printed these out myself. I found them on Pinterest, and I just taped them to my wall. I think they give the room just like a really cute vibe. I really like them. Okay, this dresser took me so long to assemble, but I got it from IKEA. It has lots of drawers, and I just have my shirts in here. And then I have jeans down here, and a lot of other stuff. Up here I have this plant. This is super cute. I got it from IKEA. It was only like $2, but this is adorable. And I have a planner here. I usually like write all my stuff I have to do for the week in the planner. And I'm actually like super obsessed with space. So this is just a cute little thing. I think I got this from Hobby Lobby, if I'm sure. And it just has all the planets on it. Here's an alarm clock. Like obviously school's coming up in a couple weeks. Not too excited about that, but this is my alarm clock, and it's super cute. I think I got this from Meyer. And I have an outlet too that I can plug my phone in as well. So this is what my dresser looks like. Okay, over here is just like storage. I used to have all my books and stuff on this shelf, but since I reorganized it, I put all my stuff over there. So this is just like, in this bin, I just have different curling irons and other random things. I have some lotions in here. Okay, over here, I have a box of trophies in metal. And if you guys are curious, this is what my room looks like at night.